Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have for you a project share. I am entering Leanna's, or otherwise known as It's a Deal. I'm entering her birthday challenge giveaway. I'm going to link her birthday challenge giveaway video below, and there's still time to enter. Today is August 19th. I'm going to try to put this up today because her challenge ends on August 31st, but her challenge is super easy and you could actually enter it very quickly. You could very quickly put your project together. So what the challenge was that you had to create or buy 2 embellishments. So you could buy 2 embellishments or you could create 2 embellishments. And then for an extra entry, you could create an ATC card. This was the first time I made an ATC card, you guys. Can you believe that? So let's get started and I'll show you what I'm sending her. So here's her envelope and here's the card I made her. I've got this that I'm going to put on the back, but these stickers don't stick very well. This is part of the... What is this collection? This is Buenos Dias collection by Obed Marshall. So I'm going to glue this, and it doesn't stick very well because it's kind of a thick card. So keep that yay in mind because it's going to match something later. So I'll show you the card that I made. So here's her card, and I just cut out some paper. So this is just like regular pink paper, and I cut out some yellow paper from the collection, and then I cut out a piece of glitter paper, and then this not journaling card, this cutout, I don't know what I was thinking, this cutout from the collection. My Spanish is like super bad, but I think it means never stop creating or don't stop creating. So I thought that was really cute. And then I put a bow from the collection, from the puffy stickers. And then I just put these 3 little like gemmies on there. So there's the card, and I wrote inside, like I said, it's puffed up. And so here's the front. Momentos Incredibles means incredible moments, which a birthday is an incredible moment, right? And then let's see. I also have... So I wanted to put the yay sticker on the back because it matches this, which I'm going to open that in a second. So these are just some little gifts that I'm including. This is from the Buenos Dias collection. So there's the stickers. I'm sorry, I need more coffee. There's the stamps. And then I'm just including one of my favorite little snacks. This is from Daiso. But you can buy these at other places. So they're the strawberry Pocky. They're so good. They're like cookie sticks, and then they have like this strawberry frosting on them. They're so good. So I'm including those. And then here is this is a little food container from Daiso, and because I'm sending it in an envelope, I don't have any of my big boxes right now. So because I'm sending it in a big envelope, I'm going to include it in here for like extra protection. And let's unwrap this. So these are some, like this is acrylic from the Buenos Dias collection. These are some some chipboard stickers from it, etc. I just cut out a piece of paper and stuck it on there and decorated a little bit. And then in here we have, on the top, we have the what is it called? ATC card, which I'll open. And here is the ATC card. And on it, it says Otro Café Juntos. I can't even remember Spanish. You guys, it's been so long. I think this means like, let's have a coffee, something like that. So that's why I put like the little coffee cup there. And on the back, it has like all my information because she wanted you to put all your information on the back. So there's that. And then we have these little florals. So you guys might remember earlier in summer, like a couple months ago, I had done a project. It was a waterfall project for Susan. And it was part of the paper art swaps group. We had to do a waterfall embellishment swap. And I had made extra flowers. I told you guys I'm going to start making extras because you never know when they come in handy. Well, here we go. Leanna likes yellow, and she likes glitter and pink and gold, and you know, she likes pastels and turquoise and all those different colors. Well, I was like, I already have some flowers made. They're ready to go. So I'm going to send her those little flowers. And then the same thing is true for these right here. I couldn't fit these in a cute bag and have them fit in the food container, so I had to put them in tissue. So you might also remember I made these at the same time, little shaker flip-flops. So I'm going to leave them just like this so that she can embellish them further if she wants to, or she can gift them to someone else and they can embellish them further if they want to, or they can just leave it like this. So there's the flip-flops, so cute. And they come in the perfect colors that she likes. So I'm so glad I had these ready to go for an awesome little exchange. So is that everything, you guys? I think that's everything that I'm sending in my entry. So I hope she likes it. Let me know if you have any questions below. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.